Hi everyone, it's Chloe again from Cousin DIY here in Largo, Florida. Today we are going to make this cheerful little coaster. It's made with fuzzy little beads, and when I look at it, it just makes me happy. So what you do is you get a 4-inch circle of cork. We cut a sheet of cork into a 4-inch circle, and we used white acrylic paint. We painted it white and allowed that to dry, so we've done all that ahead of time, and that will be the base for our coaster. Next, we're going to spread glue all over the top of this. And you'll be adding glue from time to time probably. I'm using a plastic knife to spread that. And I want to get right to the rim, because we're going to start on the edges all the way around the edge, and then we're going to work our way into the middle. You want it fairly thick so you can push it'll grab the beads. You can push the beads down into it. But it's very easy to add more glue as we work along. I've separated the beads into little cups of all the different colors because I want to stagger the colors as we go, and this just makes it easy to keep working around. So let's see, I think I'm going to start here. Orange, purple, we've got lots of colors. Some are brighter than others. Going to be working fairly quickly. Make sure your beads kind of touch each other. And for this project, we're using, it takes about 1.5 packages of these beads to make a coaster this size. See, we need a little bit of glue right here, and you'll find as you go spots where you might need to add glue.
Tied down to nothing, but since I met you, I didn't know it, that underneath it all, you started something on a Saturday night.
Now these beads, they have holes on each side, so I'm trying to place them so the holes are going sideways, so you don't really see them when you look down on the coaster. You don't have to be too fussy though.
Babe, every time I'm down, it's you, babe. Every night in my sleep, I'm saying your name. You know, for me, it's always gonna be you, babe.
I've also found that the strands don't necessarily have an even number of each color for each package, so you just mix it up for whatever appeals to you. I'm gonna take my hands and start pressing.
So pick me up when you're done working. You know that I wanna see you're worth it. The way you treat me, I'm undeserving. Every day I'm with you, I think you're perfect.
color, you may want to choose different places.
Every night in my sleep, I'm saying your name. You know, for me, it's always gonna be you, babe. It's you, babe. It's you, babe.
Try to keep in mind to turn those holes so they're not facing upward. And what color do we want in the middle? I think I'm going to put this nice bright blue right there in the middle. Keep checking. I'm going to touch this one up right here with a little.
Ocean. I didn't wanna be tied down to nothing, but since I met you, I didn't know it, that underneath it all, you started something.
There you have it. We'll test it. Push them down one more time and let it dry. I hope you've enjoyed this project. Have fun making your own coasters. Bye.
Ooh, baby.